Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share a quick case study on this diesel Subaru with a flashing DPF light. This 2010 Subaru diesel has been presented to us with a flashing DPF light. And looking on our website, there's a couple of cases relating to exactly this model and some of the issues this particular model does have. So in this particular case, we had a good inspection of the vehicle, exhaust system, engine, etc., especially that air intake system. Very, very common, the air intake system, but before the intercooler or after the intercooler, they split. So have a really good look at those hoses and piping that make up that intake system. Because they split, you're going to end up with problems like this. In this particular case, it had high soot value as well, so we've had to do a regen on it. Once we'd fixed the actual problem up with the split hose. We've done a regen on it, and now sometimes even to reset the DPF light. So there are a couple of links to some of the other useful websites and information about the DPF problems on this particular vehicle on our case study on our website. It also runs through the reset the DPF light procedure. So again, one of the members shared that with us, and we've got it on our case study on the website. So if you get one of these coming with a flashing DPF light, a number of bits of information on the website which will be able to help you, at least guide you through the problem that you've got in your workshop. See you next time.